Students, in this video, I would like to discuss about Bayes theorem. So, in this Bayes theorem, we are going to have n number of mutually exclusive events, which are given as B1, B2, B3, Bn, and the probability of all the events is taken as greater than 0 for all values of n, and an arbitrary event A is also given, which is having the probability of greater than 0. And the condition is A is a subset of union of all the mutually exclusive events, simply taking one sample space. Yes. So then the conditional probability of Bn for the given event A is taken as probability of Bn by A is equal to probability of A divided by Bn into probability of Bn divided by sigma n is equal to 1 to n probability of A by Bn probability of Bn. So this is the statement of the Bayes theorem. So we need to prove this condition. So let us take the proof. So from the theorem statement, we have the condition is A is subset of union of n is equal to 1 to n probability of Bn. Okay, so based on this, I can write this as A intersection of union n is equal to 1 to n Bn is equal to A only, because A subset of union of Bn means the intersection is A only. So now I can write this statement as A is equal to union of n is equal to 1 to n A intersection Bn. So here I'm applying distributive law. You can take this as equation number 1. Equation number 1. And we have the statement as B1, B2, so on Bn, all are mutually exclusive. So when all are mutually exclusive, then Bm intersection Bn is equal to pi only. And therefore, you have the condition as A intersection B1, A intersection B2, and A intersection Bn. All are also mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive. So therefore, I can write this as A intersection Bm intersection A intersection Bn is equal to pi, because all are mutually exclusive events only. So that's why I can write this. So now from equation 1, probability of A is equal to, so we have A is equal to union of A intersection Bn. So now I'm taking the probability of equation 1. So probability of A is equal to probability of union of n is equal to 1 to n A intersection Bn. Or I'm applying axiom 3 here. So probability of A is equal to union of n is equal to 1 to n probability, sorry, this is sigma. So by applying axiom 3, union is taken as sigma of individual probabilities. So A intersection Bn. Since from axiom 3. So therefore, from this statement, probability of A is equal to sigma n is equal to 1 to n. This can be written as probability of A by Bn, probability of Bn. So this is, you know well how to get. How to get means probability of A by Bn is equal to, as per conditional probability, A intersection Bn divided by probability of Bn. So based on this, probability of A intersection Bn is written as probability of A by Bn, probability of Bn. To just take the denominator to left hand side. Okay, so now I am taking probability of Bn by A. So as per the conditional probability statement, I can write this as probability of Bn intersection of A divided by probability of A. So here I can write this probability of B intersection A as probability of A intersection Bn. There is no problem with this because all are mutually exclusive, probability of A. And since you are taking intersection, there is no problem. And probability of A intersection Bn is already taken. So that is written as A divided by Bn into probability of Bn divided by probability of A. Okay, so now I have probability of A from equation 3. So from equation 3, I can write probability of Bn by A for the given event A, probability of A divided by Bn, probability of Bn by sigma n is equal to 1 to n, probability of A by Bn, probability of Bn. So this is the Bayes theorem statement what we have taken. So thank you for watching.